Hey, good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Rich on Life Lofts. I am Richard, and I am in Carlisle, Arkansas for our Nashville Racing Pigeon Club's 300-mile release. Sun's coming up. We've got about another 20 minutes before we release. I did not put out a video last week, and I apologize for that. So the first clips I'm going to show you right now are from our club's 250-mile race last week. We did an A race, a B race, and then a C race, which had our band race and our auction race in it. I did not race last weekend because of the eclipse going on. I didn't know how it would affect my birds, but I've got all 5 of mine in the 300-mile race. I've got 1 in the A race and 4 in the B race. So trailer's here. Birds are all watered. Sun's coming up. It's a beautiful morning. So I'll be back when we release those. John and I here at the 250-mile toss. Sun is up. Birds are going off in about 15 seconds. Top 6 crates for the A race. Found a nice little truck parking lot here to park in. Plenty of room for the birds. Get ready, John. Go! All crates are empty. Of course, they fly right in the sun, so I can't show them. At least they seem to be going in the right direction. Here they come. We back up here a little bit, see if we can get a good view of these birds. We got about 30 seconds. A race went off without a hitch. We got 4 crates, top 3, and then the one to the second row far right. So we'll be letting them go here in a minute. I'm gonna try to get out here and get a better view of them coming out. Five. Go, John. All the crates are empty. I don't know where the birds went. You see them? Yep. Okay, there they are. I can't see anything with that sun.
Above the tree.
B race birds are, yep, they're heading east. So good luck to all the flyers. We'll be back in about 30 minutes with the band and auction birds. Okay, Nashville Racing Pigeon Club, the 250-mile auction race and band race. Going off here in about 25 seconds. We just got those 2 crates in the middle. The ones with the long red wire ties on them. So A and B race went off without a hitch. 5 seconds. Go. There we go. Think they're empty? Crates are empty. There's that group. 2 broke off going that way. They'll probably pair up. They're also heading east. Didn't even circle much, just took off east. They're behind a tree. Good luck to everybody. All 3 races went off without a hitch. Hey, good morning, Nashville Racing Pigeon Club. John just broke the seal. We are at our 300-mile A release, going off in about 45 seconds. John's on the control. Got a beautiful day. Sun's up. Let's see here. 30 seconds, John. I'm sure we'll get a great release. All the birds were watered. Lots of them were drinking, heads out. So they are opening the doors. They are ready to go. 5. Go, John. Got one there. All crates empty? All crates empty. A-birds over there. They're grouping up now. I got a couple stragglers. Got one over here heading toward the group. He'll catch up. They are heading east. Good luck to everybody. And I'll be back for the B race. Hey, Nashville Racing Pigeon Club. Here we are for our B race, 300 miles. John's breaking the seal right now. All the birds have been watered again. They all drank. Sun is well up in the sky. A-race birds headed straight to the sun and took off. So, got about 30 seconds before we let the B go. We've got 4 crates of the B. Got the top 3 and then the one on the far left. I've got 15 seconds.
So
8:15.
8:15.
5. Go. Okay. Oh, 3 in that one. We all good? There they go. We got the group right there. We got a group of 4 heading over to them. We've got one lone one over there. Looks like they're all going to go head up. Yep, there goes the lone one grabbing the flock. Of course, they go behind a tree. Quick soup right in the sun where I can't see them. And then they're heading east. Hey guys, good luck to everybody and thank you for watching. Good morning, happy Sunday morning. Come here, check the loft. 300-mile race was yesterday. Only had 3 returns, I believe. Let me clean it off a little bit. Yep, 3 returns. I don't know what's on the screen. Pigeon dander. But let's see here. Oh, first one was my A race. Clocked at 2:10. That's my white cockbird. They were released from 300 miles at 7:45 and got here at 2:10. Not too bad. In the B race, I had 1063 get here at 2:23. And then I had 1066 pull in at 5:23. So not great. I think the white bird for the A race had a pretty good time. And I think the other bird for the B race had a pretty good time. But I am still missing 2 birds. But I'm going to take my clock down and I'll be right back. This is the B race for my loft. First returner for the B race. Real pretty blue bar. It's 1063. This is the white cockbird. First return from the A race. I think he did. My calculations are right. About 1375 yards per minute on the return. So I won't know until next Friday when the club does its knockoff, but that is a pretty cockbird. Hey, thank you for watching. I know this is kind of a disjointed video. Lots of pieces and parts. I didn't get much cohesion in this one. Next weekend, I will be in Louisville, Kentucky for the National Young Bird Show. I'll be taking some videos of all the different pretty pigeons and different breeds up there. So as far as I'm concerned, my race season is over. I got 1 bird left in a 1 loft race. Seems to be doing pretty good. It's a black cockbird at the black gold race. I think they just started their road training, so I'll be following that bird, and if it does well, I'll put some snippets on my channel. But other than that, it's time to batten down for the winter, start making modifications to the lofts, getting everything ready, find out what I didn't like, and I did like this season. I'm going to combine the last 2 sections of that loft over there. So get all the old bird cocks together, start flying them, loft flying them. They're just fat, dumb, and happy sitting on perches and eating my feed. So we'll get all that settled. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not. And I will see you next week from Louisville, Kentucky.